What's up, guys? Today, little tip for you. So, I'm looking for some 26-650 cells and, some 18-650 cells, along with some double A's since my rechargeables, are 15 plus years old, and most of them, these Tenergies were excellent. I was able to salvage one double A and two triple A, but the market, the way things are with the shortages and this and that, and these, fucking Chinese batteries and the bastards, overrating them, it makes it really hard to find. So I saw a lot of people ragging on the EBLs, and I saw some freaking comments that, it's not rocket science. Back in the day when I was building packs, you got, button top and then you got flat top. So what the button does is allow one cell to touch another cell, okay? Easy remedy, and I saw some real stupidity on the, reviews on EBL. Now, I'm not saying EBL are, fantastic batteries, but I am saying that just because it's flat top, there's a lot of cells, people harvest them, out of a lot of different things, and they have flat tops. The way to remedy that, if you need them for a flashlight or something, just clean it with some sandpaper. And I saw one guy say, oh, you need acid. No, you don't need acid. Not at all. Acid, the only thing you need acid for is if you want to trip balls or, solder stainless steel. Regular flux, after you, sand that up, clean it up, put a little flux on it, take your iron, and you want to be quick about it, because when I was building battery packs, I'd use braid, to run braid right across. So you'd stack them together, and then you'd solder the little piece of braid, you'd cut it from here to here, and it was wire braid. I don't have any more. I might somewhere, but not looking for it. So if you have a flat cell and you try to butt these up and it's not making contact, take yourself a little piece of sandpaper, sand that up, put a little dab of flux on it, and then take your iron and touch it to the solder itself, and then touch it to the battery, and that's going to put a nice little blob of solder on there. And no, it is not, because I did read somebody's stupid comment, oh, it's going to increase the resistance. No, I don't know where you're getting your information, buddy, but it's not going to increase the resistance. You're not even going to notice nothing, because these are spot welded, and, like I said, they're soldered. So just put a little dab of solder on the positive end, and make sure you don't melt the heat shrink, because if you do, you're going to ground it out, and then you're going to be in for a rude surprise. And then you have yourself a button top. And the people ragging on the guy for the EBL cells and saying, he didn't know how to test them and this and that, or maybe he didn't test them the exact right way, but it doesn't mean they're a junk cell. And in today's market, unless you're using a high drain device, those cells are fine.